Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, all the videos of this channel have been arranged systematically. So watch from the video number 1 lest any important points should be missed. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about determiner that is very important in grammatical items. What is determiner? The word that modifies a noun and gives extra information of that noun is called determiner. For example, Amina is a girl. Okay, I am going to write on the whiteboard so that you can have a very clear idea. Determiner. D-E-T-E-R-M-I-N-E-R. Determiner. Determiner. The word that modifies a noun and gives extra information of the noun is called determiner. For example, dear students, I have already written the definition of determiner. The word that modifies a noun and gives extra information of that noun is called determiner. For example, Amina is a girl. 1. Amina is a girl. Dear students, I have written one sentence to give an example. Amina is a girl. Okay, from this sentence we find an article A, and this article is modifying the noun girl and gives extra information of the noun girl. For this reason, this article is a determiner here. Again, from this sentence, we find an article A, and this article is modifying the noun girl and gives extra information of that noun girl. So, it is a determiner. The determiner as an article. To this book is mine. Dear students, I have also written another sentence. This book is mine. If you analyze this sentence, you will find 4 words. This book is mine. There are 4 words here. And among these 4 words, this is one of them. And the word, this is a demonstrative form. And this demonstrative form is modifying the noun book and giving extra information of the noun book. For this reason, this demonstrative form is a determiner in this sentence. This as a determiner, as a demonstrative form. demonstrative form. As a demonstrative form, this is a determiner. Okay, 3. It is their house. Dear students, I have also written another very small sentence. It is their house. From this sentence, we find a word there, and this is a possessive form, and this possessive form is modifying the noun house and giving extra information of the noun house. So this is also a determiner. There is a determiner as a possessive form. As a possessive form. As a possessive form. The next example, I have 5 pens. Dear student, I have also written another example. I have 5 pens. From this sentence, we find a word called 5. This is a numeral, cardinal number, and this cardinal number is modifying the noun pens. Is also giving extra information of the noun pens. For this reason, the word or cardinal number 5 is a determiner in this sentence. 5 numeral as a cardinal number. As a cardinal number, this is determiner. The next example, he is the first boy here. I have already written another example. He is the first boy here. If you analyze the sentence, you will find a word first, that is numeral, ordinal number. This ordinal number is modifying the noun boy and giving extra information of the noun boy. So this is also a determiner. First, as a ordinal number. As an ordinal number. As an ordinal number. The next one, it is of double weight. It is of double weight. Dear student, if you look at the sentence, you will find a word double, that is multiplicative form, numeral multiplicative form. Okay, and this multiplicative form or this numeral is modifying the noun weight and also giving extra information of that noun weight. Okay, so this is also a determiner as a multiplicative form. As a multiplicative form. As a multiplicative form. The next one, he has eaten much rice. Dear student, I have also written another sentence to give it more clear. He has eaten much rice. From this sentence we find the word much. This is a quantifier. This quantifier is modifying the noun rice and giving extra information of the noun rice. So this is also a determiner. Much as a quantifier. Much is a determiner as a quantifier. Quantifier. Much is a determiner as a quantifier. The last example, which book do you need? Dear student, I have written the last example, which book do you need? If you analyze the sentence, you will find WH question. That is to say, a WH determiner here. Which book do you need? In this sentence, which is a WH determiner because this word is modifying the noun book and also giving extra information the noun book. For this reason, the word which is a determiner as a WH determiner. WH determiner. Okay. Determiner. I repeat, the word that modifies a noun and gives extra information of that noun is called determiner. Determiner may be from article, demonstrative form, possessive form, numeral, quantifier, even WH question. Dear students, the first example, Amina is a girl. From this sentence we find an article A. This article is modifying the noun girl and giving extra information of the girl. So this article A is a determiner in this sentence. The next example, this book is mine. This, the word this is a demonstrative form. This demonstrative form is modifying the noun book and also giving extra information the noun book. For this reason, it is also a determiner as a demonstrative form. It is their house. It is their house. From this sentence we find the word there. There is a possessive form and this possessive form is giving extra information the noun house. So this is also a determiner. I have 5 pens. 5 is a numeral and this numeral is modifying the noun pens and giving extra information the noun pens. So 5 is a determiner as a cardinal number, numeral cardinal number. Here is the first word here. From this sentence we find the word first and this is also a numeral ordinal number. This ordinal number is modifying the noun boy and giving extra information of the noun boy. So it is also a determiner. It is as an ordinal number. The next one, it is of double weight. It is of double weight. From this sentence we find a word double, that is another numeral. It is multiplicative. It is modifying the noun weight in giving extra information of the noun weight. So it is also a determiner and it is as a multiplicative form here. He has eaten much rice. From this sentence we find the word much and this much is a quantifier. This quantifier is modifying the noun rice and is also giving extra information of the noun rice. So this much is also a determiner and it is as a quantifier here. Which book do you need? We know which is a WH form, WH question word. This WH question word is giving extra information of the noun book and modifying this book. So it is also a determiner. So dear students, I have already finished teaching about determiner. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box. If you would like to know about determiner in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.